a time machine so I can go back and change every motherfucking thing in between a love scene. Like me saying I love you and now you're playing all these games and I can't help but saying so fuck you. I should have known this wasn't real. Why didn't I see it coming? Yes, my mind was stuck in something, must have been loving. Laying in bed, watching movies, touching and rubbing and leaving the fucking. I mean, we was humping. We were screaming and jumping. The bed was bumping, so why don't you tell me something? I thought we started off at a good start, but it ended up like every other one with a fucking broken heart. Look, I tried my best. Now I'm hurting behind my fucking chest. I mean, I was your motherfucking first. Aw shit, that just made it worse. You know the verse. Treat others way you wanna be treated. Well, you done fucked that up. It was like Patrick Street. Patrick, he's up for grabs. Oh well, it ain't the first time I got stabbed up in the back from some chick that just wanted my dick. But like I always say, fuck 'em. Yeah, I says same shit, different day, sucker.